What's up guys, TechTitan here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this one, I want to thank you all so much for watching my content. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. And yeah, with that being said, man, look, so today I got in house the Motorola Moto G Pure. And Motorola lately has just been launching phones like crazy. So yeah, I mean, let's just go ahead and unbox it, and I'll give you guys my impressions after. So lifting the lid of the box, we have the phone itself, which is wrapped around this plastic wrap. So we're just going to go ahead and take it out, place it to the side real quick, and then look at what else we get in the box. So lots of paperwork, warranty information, and guide and things like that. We don't really care about that. Your SIM removal tool, your USB-C cable is also what you would get in the box, as well as your 10-watt Motorola wall adapter. So this is proof that this phone does not really support any fast charging capability. If it does, it's really minimal. So here's the phone itself, and what I plan on doing is just spend a couple of hours with it. That way I'm more familiar with it and I'm able to give you guys an actual impression. So give me a little bit of time, let me spend some time with this phone, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've spent enough time with this phone to give you guys my actual impressions. So starting of course with the design itself, it's really constructed out of plastic, right? So not the most premium material, but for a phone at this price point, you shouldn't expect it to have any premium material. And the back does have these kind of textures to, I guess the goal was to help with grip, which really it does not. And the back also houses a dual camera setup, which one of the cameras is just meant there for AI, which is BS to me. It's there for nothing. And your primary sensor is actually a 13 megapixel sensor. And I like this blue frame around it. I think it gives it a nice look. And you also have your fingerprint sensor embedded into the Motorola logo. On the right hand side, you also have your textured power button and your volume up and down, which match the frame of the dual camera setup, so that's nice. I think this kind of small attention to detail, especially in a phone that costs around 150 bucks, is a really nice look. So on the bottom, of course, you do have your USB-C, your microphone, as well as your bottom facing speaker. And also on the front, you have your display, which is basically a 6.5-inch 1600 by 720p panel. Obviously not the sharpest thing in the world, but that is to be expected. And as far as the viewing angles and just the display in general, I mean, it's decent quality. Of course, like I said, not the highest resolution, but definitely a decent quality for the price that you're paying for this phone. And also on the front panel, you do have your front-facing camera. And as far as specs go, so the CPU that Motorola decided with is a MediaTek octa-core. It's the Helio G25, which is based on a 12 nanometer architecture. You also have I've never even heard of this GPU, but it's called like the Power VR GE8320. What a weird name, but whatever. So you also have 32 gigabytes of storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and that's really basically it. So as far as the camera itself goes, it's okay. I mean, it's nothing crazy. I really have to take more pictures, but I already know what to expect when it comes to this phone. So if you want to see a full in-depth camera review, leave it in the comments. I'll make it happen. So overall, to start my impressions, they're definitely positive. I really have to do some more testing to see where this phone stands in the spectrum of budget phones. Is it in the really low end? Is it in kind of a low to mid? But yeah, so just a little bit more testing, and I'm going to be doing comparisons with this phone and other phones so I can get a better idea on also where it stands. And with that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do, man. Leave a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next video really soon. Thank you for watching. Bang.